Have you ever wondered how we are able to move, breathe, digest food, and even pump blood continuously? All these actions are possible because of muscular tissue. Muscular tissue is made up of elongated cells called muscle fibers that help in the movement of our body. There are three types of muscular tissue in human body: skeletal muscles, smooth muscles, and cardiac muscles. First, let us understand skeletal muscles. These muscles work according to our conscious will, so they are called voluntary muscles. For example, when we raise our hand or kick a ball, we are using voluntary muscles. Their cells are long, cylindrical, unbranched, and multinucleate. Under a microscope, they show alternate light and dark bands called striations. So, they are also called striated muscles. Now, let's move on to smooth muscles, which control involuntary movements. They are found in the stomach, iris of the eye, ureters, and bronchi of the lungs. Their cells are spindle-shaped, pointed at both ends, and uninucleate. These muscles do not show light and dark bands, so they are also called unstriated muscles. Finally, we have cardiac muscles, which are found only in the heart. Their cells are cylindrical, branched, and uninucleate. They contract and relax rhythmically throughout life to pump blood throughout the body. So, next time you move your hand or feel your heartbeat, remember the important role of muscular tissue in the body.